I was good with y'all boys, man. We got another banger video, man. Today, we was removing the cats off of this thing right here, man. Ignore this chrome, bro. I'm doing a chrome delete. I'm in the middle of it, bro. You know, so I got black rims too, so all that's coming soon. But look, today we was removing the cats off of this beast right here. Man, I got receipts in here. There's always something at the bottom of my car. Yeah, look, cold start. Boys, today is a banger video. Before we get into it, please subscribe, bro, because y'all was fucking with my last video, but y'all did not. Y'all was not subscribing, bro. Like, y'all was not subscribing how y'all supposed to subscribe. So subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds right now. All right, appreciate that. But look, we about to take the cats off of this. It's gonna be a Catless Dodge Charger RT. And then after that, I got some more surprises for y'all after that, but I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly what. But what I got after the cats, y'all really gonna wanna see. So definitely subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see what time it is. It's 8:58 in the morning. So as y'all can see, a nigga grinding, bro. I'm trying to get these bangers for y'all. So please subscribe, bro. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all one more time, subscribe, bro. But all right though, y'all boys, as y'all can see, I'm sitting here. I'm gonna just let the car heat up a little more. It's at 111, 113 right now. But let me know what else I should do to this car. I got one thing I'm about to do after this that I know for sure that y'all gonna love, so I'm telling y'all subscribe. I do know that when you go Catless, it throws a check engine light code, but as y'all can see, I got an engine light code because this, my oil pressure sensor is messed up. It reads high. But yeah, man, let me know anything else that I should do to this car that y'all think would be good. That y'all definitely want to see. I'm definitely doing a lot of this stuff for content, like, so yeah, let me know what y'all want to see. Other than that, I'm about to go to the store real quick, and then I'm gonna go to the shop where I'm dropping my car off at. So I'm gonna see y'all probably when I get to the shop. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, all right, y'all, I don't know how that clip gonna sound, bro, because like, I know on camera it don't like always do it justice, but when I tell y'all this shit actually like loud as fuck, bro. Let me damn, this shit loud as hell. This shit loud as fuck, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna roll the window down. This shit actually loud as fuck, bro. This bitch in sport mode for y'all. And they did that shit quick too. This shit actually insane, bro. This shit actually sounds like a truck. This shit crazy as fuck. Bro, damn. Oh my god. Hey, what the? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, can y'all hear? Hey. This shit sound crazy as hell, bro. Hey, I really hope y'all can hear it. Like, I really hope y'all can hear it on my own camera. Bro, what the fuck? Hey, bro, this shit sound insane, bro. Damn. Hold on, for the downshift. This shit sound crazy. That shit crazy. But look, man, I'm about to drive back to the crib, bro. And then probably tomorrow, I'm gonna try to get y'all like a little cold start, and that's gonna be like the end of the video. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get y'all a little cold start, and I'm gonna end up dropping like a full POV drive later, probably tomorrow. So yeah, bro, I'm gonna hit y'all like as soon as I get back to the crib. All right, y'all boys, we back at the crib. I'm finna leave again, so I'm about to give you all this little cold start real quick before I go. It's not really that cold, but it's still gonna be a cold start. Nonetheless, I'm scared to stand back here. All right, y'all boys, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like I told y'all, I do got more bangers on the way, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. You know what I'm saying? Turn on notice, all that, because we finna go Wall 2024, and I'm out, bro.